Tiny. Cool. Get some little signs, stickers, like some extra attachments there, a pallet. Excuse me, tweezers. Oh wow, cool, little mini controllers there. Little beady. It's got rubber tires. Very cool. It's neat. Metal body. This is plastic here. The forks are plastic. Like that all works. Maneuvers up and down. I'm sure we'll have some forks somewhere. Hopefully. Maybe in the bag with the sign. Got a user manual. Very cool. You have, oh, there's the forks. Little mini forks in there. The charging cable. Let's see if I can get in there. Just got a sticky edge you just put up. You get the contents there. Got wrapping paper for your boxes or something. Maybe for your sticker to put on your boxes. So you can fold these up, make them look like a stack of boxes. Pretty cool. Just like so, and you can stack it on the pallet. Pretty neat. Okay. All the joysticks, you spin them in there, I bet. Or no, it goes in one direction, it looks like. Just pushes in. Okay, that's good. The forks are metal, little yellow metal forks. Going on there. Very cool. Put them on there in a minute. Let's put the other joystick. It'll only go one direction there. See got that? Like forward, backward, left, right, forward, backward. I don't know. I think it's just side to side and forward and backward there. You have a battery protector you just pull out there. Looks like we got some power now. Charging cable. On and off switch. Oh cool, has some noises. Hopefully we'll be able to shut them off as well. Looks like you got a little tow hook here for the trailer. Oh, plugs in on here. Got a little rubber cover. USB-C. Just plug this in there and then that into your adapter. Your computer, however you want to do it. Cool deal. Alright. There's the power button in the middle. Just long press it to shut it off. Okay. You have a trailer. You have rubber wheels on the trailer. How about that? Look at it on your forklift here. Looks like. Somehow. Like so. And you can pull that around. Okay, so let's see if we can see. Imagine it's probably going to take a little button cell battery. Oh, there's the latch. If you wanted to open it, you can just push it in, take it out. But it comes with the batteries, with the remote, and a rechargeable in the forklift. So, let's try to put the forks on. Looks like you have to put it in right here and then slide it over left or right. Okay. There's one. There's a little notch, and then you just have to slide it over. Okay, cool. That's neat. Okay, that'll fit that. Very cool. Okay, then you also have the hook that you can put on there. Looks like that would just clip on the same spot. Put it in there and then slide it over. Okay. See if we can't. Another box made. And we'll open the bag of signs. I'm gonna test this thing out. Let's see what it takes to get it paired. So let's turn on the power of the forklift. Be sure to power or to charge your forklift. Power on the remote. And looks like we're paired. Just automatically pairs. Let me see what we can do here. Looks like that's going to be raised and lower here. How cool. Oh, that's too neat. You guys see that? The arrows on the remote. You have it up and it down. Alright, let's see. I imagine this is going to be forward and reverse. Let's find out. Yep. I don't even get a little beep when it backs up. Cool. Okay, let's drop it down. You can't pick up that box. Oops. There we go. Look at that. Alright. Neat. Well, it actually works. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's drop this off. And then we'll see how it pulls the trailer. Now, I haven't charged the batteries, just how it came. I don't recommend you do the same. Pick up, or yeah, just charge the batteries first. Pretty cool. It sounds like turning signal when you're turning it. This is turning. Let's see if we can go left or right. Okay. Up and down doesn't do anything. I'm not sure. Looks like you have a speed adjustment here. And there's the lights. Okay, yeah, that shuts the lights off. Oh, but that's a demo or a program. But anyway, let's read the instructions and see what all it can do. You also get 2 little traffic cones, tweezers. It's like just some signs, like street signs, caution, authorized personnel, stop sign, just little stuff like that. The pallet, the boxes, the trailer. Okay, let's try the trailer. Oh, cool. How about that? No problem. What's that jackknife? There we go. Well, how about that, guys? Super cool. You even put the forklift on the trailer. It's so small. Alright, one more thing. Let's take the hooks off, or the forks off. Try the hook. I don't know if I have anything to pick up with it, but it fits on there very snug. Oops, I put it on upside down. Okay, That's what not to do. That's how you put it on. Okay. You can raise and lower stuff with the hook. Okay, so here we have the little speed button. It's the top to the left on these bottom buttons here. There's 5 buttons and it's the top left. Okay, so that's going to slow you down where it's more controllable. Just wanted to share that with you. Makes it a lot easier to drive. When you go to get the fork or get the pallet, it's much easier. It'll only pick it up so far. I'll show you how far. That's how high you can get it.